Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So here I am looking at a little something different today. I'm going through my YouTube analytics for everybody. I know a lot of you guys probably aren't interested in this, but some of you are. So I started this channel back in February, but it wasn't until near the end of February that I actually started uploading my first video. So I think it was February 26th, and it was the whole GameStop thing that I started with in Robinhood, dividends, investing. So I did 2 videos on that day, and I was like, okay, I'm going to finally just do this and see what it's like. So I uploaded my first 2 videos, and so there it is. Then, as time goes on, okay, through March, let's go to March. Last 7 days, no. So that's one complaint that I have. It's kind of laggy on my computer. I don't know if it's my computer or this, but you can see for the first month, not much had went on. And then it looks like I really started uploading. And I got a lot of views. I'm not sure exactly what I did. But one of the things that I did, I know, is I started using Tubuddy and vidIQ. So up here on the top of the screen you can see Tubuddy stuff. It's an extension in your Chrome browser, and vidIQ is another extension in your browser. Now I went ahead and I did purchase Tubuddy, the smallest subscription for under 100 channels. It's pretty cheap, so it's a pretty good deal. It's like $4.10 a month I think I ended up paying, which isn't bad to get things going and lift off the ground. But you can see the views. As soon as I started optimizing my videos, the views went from at the most 66, and it spiked way up. I had a couple of really good videos in there, I guess. But you can see over time it has really increased, and I've increased both subscriber base and views. So I'm going to do the last 90 days. Alright, so you can see some of these videos that I do get a lot of views. Some of them don't. So some days are better than other days. It depends if YouTube picks up on it or not. So let's just go. Let's go a little bit deeper. Let's look at the last 28 days. All right. So here I have one of the big days, 1,400 views. Let's go see what videos came out that day. Alright, this is a little more difficult than I anticipated. But here at the bottom, you can see this is one of the more popular videos, right? This is Crypto.com Crow. You can see the view duration is not super awesome, right? But you can see it really took off in the beginning, because I used the YouTube algorithm to my advantage and used Tubuddy to optimize it. So it had explosive growth right in the beginning, and then a just slow, gradual growth over time. So it was pretty interesting. So got 9.3 hours. I got 8 subscribers from that video. So that's pretty interesting. I mean, there's a lot of data here to decipher. So you can see average view duration is 24 seconds. Not really sure why. It's a pretty short video. It's one of those YouTube short experiments that I was working with. So you can see it's way high, and then it drops off significantly as time goes on. And hardly anybody made it to the end of the video, which is kind of disappointing to me. But it's okay. So the YouTube algorithm really cares about, I guess, maybe this point? Or I'm not really sure what this line means. Here's the information bar. 29% viewers are still watching around the 30-second mark, which is lower than typical compared to other recent videos. Okay, interesting. Alright, so I think they like to have at least 50% of your video watched before they jump off and go to something else. Alright, so you go to watch time in hours, 9.3 hours on a minute video. That kind of seems kind of weird, right? Alright, and then 8 subscribers, which is pretty good. I'm very pleased with that. Really appreciate all you guys out there. So hopefully this video is going to help somebody. It might not be my subscriber base, but at least it'll be out there and it'll be helping somebody. So you can go to the Reach tab. Let's go to the Reach tab and explore these analytics. Here we have 12,000.2 impressions. That seems like a lot. Click-through rate is super low on this video, 3.7%. I mean, on other videos, it's been up closer to 9%, and some get 10%. Maybe it's my thumbnail that's not doing well. It's really hard to say. If you guys have experience doing analytics, let me know. Maybe you guys can decipher this better than I can. Alright? So you can see here, it's from the Shorts reel is where I got most of the traffic from. So that's pretty cool. A lot of my videos are from SEO, from the search, and maybe we'll look at one of those next. Alright, so here's the impressions and how they do watch time. You can see here, you can increase your chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and watch time. So yeah, watch time's kind of low on this one. Click-through rate's also kind of low on this one. So I'm surprised it got so far. Although, it seems like videos that are on the Shorts, sometimes they take off pretty good. Alright. You can see here on YouTube search, one of the top search terms that I have is crypto.com. Google search, evidently is some stuff coming from there. And suggested videos. Yeah, this is a really good section to be in. Suggested videos, hard to get into. So, yeah, I want to get into there more, if I can. It's a good place to be. Get a lot of traffic. So you can go to engagement. Let's go there. Here we have engagement. You can watch time in hours, view duration. Like I said before, it's pretty pathetic. Likes versus dislikes, that's pretty good. Alright. I didn't have an end screen, so I probably should look at that. I know for the format that I use mostly is mobile format, so I really can't do that. But I'm probably going to put an end screen on this video, see what happens there, and link you guys back to my channel. See what happens. And then audience. Gives you a breakdown of basically demographics and the audience you're serving. You can see a lot of people that are not subscribed. And you need to turn these guys into subscribers if you want to make more subscribers on your channel. How you do that? Not really sure, but I'm working on it. Here's the top geographies, US mostly. It looks like the UK. And that's pretty much all the useful information here. The age groups. Seems like maybe the younger demographic is picking up on this stuff more. 12 to 34 years old. Which kind of makes sense, I guess. And pretty much all males. I don't know, appeal to the female population out there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video for the analytics. Alright, it's one of the Shorts. Now, I do have a few other videos here. Let's take a look at another one that's maybe not a short. See, all these are pretty pathetic in watch time. Wow. Really need to work on pumping up that watch time, don't I? Interesting. Yeah, it seems like all these videos with a lot of clicks don't have a lot of watch time. Then again, I think a lot of these are Shorts, except for maybe this one. The Kathy Wood video. I don't know if maybe people thought Kathy Wood was in the video. Possible. But you can see it really spiked up in the beginning. And then it kind of leveled off to nothing. YouTube stopped pushing it out. Because people... the watch time was terrible. Retention was terrible. Look. People watched the first few seconds and then slowly declined. So that's not good for the YouTube algorithm. They like to see more engagement, more more people staying through to the end of the video, at least halfway through. Wow, the impressions and click-through rate, 2.8%. That's terrible. All right, let's look at that a little more deeply. So here we go. There's click-through rate 4.3, 0, 4.4, and then bam, 8.3. Yeah, that's where it happened right there. First 11 days. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. 0. I don't know if people just weren't searching it or what, but yeah, that doesn't look good. You can see the traffic source is shorts again. Oh, it is a short. Okay. So, yeah, maybe another bad example. Seems like all the videos that have a lot of views are shorts for some reason. And that's why I was trying to do shorts. I was trying to like do one a day or one every couple days. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think about shorts? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, here's let's go with this one. This is 41 views. It's not bad, right? Let's take a look at that one. Will it come up? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, that's not working. Okay, well I got a new screen. Not really sure what this is. This looks like maybe a live feed. Wow, okay, interesting. Alright, got the crow price prediction. That seems to be getting a lot of traffic. Know what's going on there. So that's good. I like it. So it's updating live. Okay, that's pretty cool. But not really what I wanted. But cool nonetheless. Alright. Alright guys, as you can see, I am not super adept at these analytics just yet. So I'm just still trying to learn. And let's go to see more. Maybe I can see more of these videos. Okay, another new screen that I don't know about. Alright, well, alright, this looks pretty cool. A lot of detail here. You can see the traffic sources of these videos. You can see geography, viewer age, gender. You can see views. Wow, it really breaks down things pretty in detail. Guess if I knew how to use this, it would be a lot more useful. Alright, geography. Yeah, I'm pretty much mostly US. Oh, there's some Canada, Germany. Alright, interesting. Alright. Alright, let's see, enough of that. So, what I'm really trying to say here is, Tubuddy, that's the way to go. Right, I got the basic license, and the SEO does quite a bit, and I like using that. It seemed to increase my reach, and my views, and my subscribers. The SEO Studio, this thing is the best, right? Let's go with crypto.com and let's say start. Alright, I haven't put anything in here, and wow, actually that's a pretty good score for being nothing. Alright, it's quite interesting. And you can say you can add some more tags, right? You say add to the tag limit, and it'll populate all these tags up in there. If you have more description, more stuff, right? It's you can do a lot better, right? And you can see what other videos you're going to be going up against for that search term. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can say, yeah, I need to make a thumbnail that looks kind of like that, or maybe you want to do something that's totally different and stands out, right? Like this one, yellow. You can see it's got 43,000 views. Because it doesn't really look like the other ones, right? The other ones kind of look like they blend together. Although, this one's got 128,000 views. That's pretty good. So it really depends what you're going for. Yeah, next. And usually you can save this as a draft. You can start doing research. There's a lot of different things you can do here. But I found that these really do help out quite a bit. So let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the content, actually. Content. And we're going to select one of the videos that I've done. All right. You can see that there's other ones that are coming out soon. So that's a little look ahead into the future, depending on when this video posts. But, okay, so you're in this video, you can edit all kinds of things, right? Go down here, you can add cards and end screens, and it's where you do all the work on your video. But this is the useful thing. You can go in preview mode. So once you're in preview, you're looking at it as viewers will see it. So you're basically reviewing that. All right, let's pause that. We don't need to see it real time. But the interesting thing here is on the right. It's over here. It's all the analytics. So I have vidIQ and I have Tubuddy. You can see the SEO score has been optimized 100%. So yeah, that's cool. That's a good deal. 100%, that's going to get me good ranks, you would think. But maybe not. Total views 39. So that kind of sucks. Oh. So you can see the channel, how many views. You can see the tags that I'm using. And if you're looking at a similar video from another creator, you can copy these tags and use those as a baseline for your tags. Here's a video vidIQ. It's a little bit different format. All right, you can say 100% like ratio, and they give you a bunch of different analytics. Here you can see the title. They say my title's too long. I don't have any end screens. Don't have a thumbnail. I have replied to a comment because there's no comments on this video. How could I reply if there's no comment? All right, monetization. I can't even monetize, so I don't know why that is even enabled. Facebook should not shared on Facebook, so okay. Once again, you got the tags. The thing that I like about vidIQ is you can see how these tags rank in search. So that's one advantage that I see that vidIQ has over Tubuddy, and this is the free version of vidIQ. All right, Tubuddy does not do that. Come on, Tubuddy, get with it. All right, I like Tubuddy and all, but it seems like in some ways it beats. I mean, look at all these analytics, just a little pop-up from vidIQ. That's kind of nice. Hours watched, last 60 minutes, last 48 hours, right? You can get a bunch of things just by just having your mouse hover over this thing. If I do that to Tubuddy, you get nothing. All right, you got to click on it, and then you get a bunch of stuff. So I keep getting this pop-up. All right, so tell me what you guys think about Tubuddy. I think there's a lot of good things in here. It's a pretty advanced tool. Not all these tools are enabled for my account. Let me know if you guys think this is useful to you. And one of the things that I have to really stress is you need to optimize your videos for SEO when you're a small channel just starting out. All right, you can see I have 100% SEO score, but I only have 39 views. So maybe it's my thumbnail. I'm not really sure, but there's nothing else I can do to make this video better. Alright guys, check out my channel, subscribe if you're into investing and making money and building wealth, and best of luck in building your YouTube channel. If you guys have any tips or tricks or advice for me, leave them down in the comments below. I really would appreciate that. And smash the like button for this video for the YouTube algorithm, because the more times it gets smashed and the more likes it gets, the more it'll be pushed out. So hopefully this is helpful for everybody. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, thanks for watching.